In writing a lot of 3 is a marketing number. इसको कहते हैं ज़बान से खाना. Try to vision to be in life. Okay, you chose this.
Okay.
41 is again number 5, which matches Dubai, which is 40. So suppose you want to open a restaurant, but your numbers don't match.
Hello and welcome, folks, to In Dubai Show, brought to you by one and only Indus Real Estate. This is your host, cum dost, Dhruv. You can also call me D. We are here to talk about everything and anything Dubai. Every episode, we welcome a special guest who spills the tea, or should I rather say Arabic coffee, on the latest trends, inside tips, and what makes Dubai the place to be. So buckle up, my friends, as we are going to deep dive into the ocean, a world of Dubai real estate with a dash of fun and whole lot of insights. So let's get started. Hello, folks, and welcome to In Dubai Show, brought to you by Indus Real Estate. This is your host, cum dost, Dhruv. You can also call me D. This segment is going to be a very, very special segment because in this segment, we are going to interview people from different walks of life. So, before I call the special guest today on our channel in Dubai Show, who happens to be a very, very special guest, who's also Bharat Bhushan and Nostradamus. Yes, I am talking about Dr. Bindu Khurana. Dr. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to our show.
Thank you so much, Vin.
As your name said, Dr. Bindu Khurana. On a lighter note, can I ask you a question?
Ji,
Anything to do with Ayushman Khurana?
no,
No?
not
Okay.
at all.
I think it was a bad joke, but
No,
it's okay.
it's not. It's not. He's a self-achiever, but if you notice, there's one thing common.
Which is?
He has a spelling correction in Purana, and so do I.
What is your
My
spelling?
spelling has a double A, his has a double R.
Double R. Okay. So you're like a cosmic GPS guiding experts, people with, before we dive into serious stuff. Tell us how the power to make numbers talk. Do actually numbers also talk back to you?
Absolutely. Everything in life is a number. From the time you're born to the date you're born, your height, weight, figure, your pulse rate, heartbeat, blood pressure, body temperature, car, train, plane is a number, shoe size is a number, chashme ka number है, जूते का number है. Everything is a ganit, is a maths, and maths is the only subject you can score full marks. Either you get it right or you get it wrong. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So maths, or you can say your numerology, Anka Shastra, is actually coming to us from the Rig Veda and the Shastras, but highlighted in the mass media and communication age. It's a time bomb. It's a understanding that this is our GPS. Today in the world, we travel by the GPS. So this is our personal GPS. Our GPS depends on our date of birth. A date of birth will never change. So exactly how you follow your life, what is good for you, what's not, what you should do, what you shouldn't, what is your strength, what is your weakness, what are your lucky numbers, your lucky colors, your lucky directions, what works for you, when it works for you, how it works for you. Should you do partnership or should you do individual? Some people make a lot of money in land. Some lose it all. Some make a lot in the trade or in the share market. Some don't make any money. They make too many losses. तो क्या वाकई गणित हेल्प होता है? वाकई आपको नंबर्स ब्लेस करते हैं? Understanding the maths and the numbers is numerology, and how to use it at the right time, in the right place, and in the right way.
So actually, we've got you at the right time to understand the numbers and the way you said it in a flow, as if you've been talking on different stages about all of this.
I think it's been 15 years, and that's a long time.
15 years is a very, very long time. Huh?
Yes. But I eat, sleep, breathe numbers. I just know my numbers, and I think numbers say everything too.
Numbers say everything.
Absolutely.
Also, just before we dive into more questions, I believe, as far as my knowledge go, my team told me that you had won a very prestigious award in Bangkok. Which year was that?
This was in 2019 November. It is called the Nostradamus Award, where we were about 20,000 of us from Asia.
Wow.
And 5 were from India, of which I was one of them, in which we had to do a test which had 100 questions.
Okay.
And those 100 questions would appear so fast on your TV screen that if you looked up and you looked down at your calculator, you would miss it. So everything was going simultaneously, and I had got a bingo in that 100. And out of those, 5 were selected to be on stage and to debate and to discuss, of which I came first. I did the very best that time. That particular year was very blessed and grateful, and I can't forget it ever in my life. And that's how I represented the country, and that's how I got the award. And
Very
it
nice,
stayed
very
back
nice,
with
very
us.
nice. Excellent, excellent. So basically, you are like a human calculator. Can I
कहा
say
जाता है?
that?
Yes, they say. I'm faster than the calculator.
You are faster
In
than.
fact, I always keep a calculator with me to recheck if I've done the right thing or no.
Okay.
But I don't use it so much.
So
in the
much.
sense, yeah.
So, can I give you a number and you can calculate that right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me figure
Think
that
about it.
special number out, which makes it little
Sure,
difficult for you.
Sure.
Let's say 9 plus 9 plus 9
Will be 9.
will be 9.
Yeah. Any
9
number
plus
added
9
to.
plus 9.
Yeah. So 27 is 2 plus 7 is back to 9.
Back to 9.
Any number added to 9 will come back to the same number. So if you want to go faster, and I can give this tip for all the viewers watching.
Please.
So when you take a mobile number, any number that totals to 9, edit it. So 2 plus 7 is 9, cut it. 8 plus 1 is 9, cut it. 6 plus 3 is 9, cut it. तो जो बाकी के numbers रह जाते हैं, just total that and come to a single digit. You'll go very fast. You won't need the calculator.
मैम इतनी मैथ्स तो मैंने बचपन में भी नहीं सीखी थी जितनी आपने in today's time you're teaching me maths, and trust me, it was never my favorite subject. So I think let's get out of maths and get into the other
Okay.
questions.
Okay, sir.
So tell me, numerology, Vastu and Dubai real estate,
जी.
a unique mix. How do you explain the powerhouse combo to someone who only thinks of numbers at the scary part of their bank statements? Like,
Okay.
have you got my question?
Yes, of
Okay.
course. So ideally, you should understand how numerology and Vastu work together and how this combination works. So numerology is Ganit, maths, as I explained. Astrology is Chandrama Tithi Nakshatra. Numerology is based on Surya, it's a sun sign. But what is Vastu? Vastu means Vas Karma, Rehna. It's an energy. Everything has an energy. This cabin has an energy, the office has an energy, the house has an energy, the building has an energy, the city, town, country has an energy. क्यों खुद हमारी भी energy होती है. Morning energy is different, evening energy is different. इसी तरह every city, like you'll say Dubai people are like this, or you'll say Bombayites are like this, Delhiites are like this. It's an energy.
It's an energy. Yeah.
Everything is based on the energy. And energy is based on the 5 elements, that is water, wind, fire, sky and earth.
One second. Water, wind.
Fire, sky and earth.
Okay.
Actually ये elements कहाँ हैं? So these 5 elements or the 5 tattva, they are basically in us. The air is within us. The fire is with. The fire is in the belly also. Then you have also the water. Body is made up of 80% water. Earth, grounding, जो हम बोलते हैं. And of course sky, openness. Plus the 5 elements कहाँ हैं? तो हम कहते हैं कि हम भगवान में मानते हैं. तो भगवान is actually made up of Vastu. What is the meaning? Ba is Bhumi, earth. Ga is Gagan, sky. Va is Vayu, air. A is Agni, fire. And Na is Neer, water. So Bha, Ga, Va, Na are the 5 elements of
Va, Ga, Va, Na.
Na is actually the 5 elements of Kudrat जो हम बोलते हैं. Nature. God is in nature. Nature is in God. God is not in the temples and definitely not in the places where we keep them for worship. So when you worship God, you worship Kudrat, worship nature. And that's exactly how you understand. So there are different types of Vastu. One Vastu is what you call your Vedic Vastu, which are Pandits do. It is Yantra, Mantra, Puja, Vidhi and Havan. The second type of Vastu is a crystal Vastu, in which different crystals are used, which are available in the earth. Sometimes we plant them under the ground. Sometimes we keep them on the tables, or we keep them under the, on a space. Or even the chandeliers is crystal Vastu. The third is what you call as Pyra Vastu, that is pyramids Vastu. तो कई जगह हम जब जाते हैं लोगों के घरों में pyramids दिखते हैं हमें, कहीं जमीन पे होते हैं, कहीं लगे होते हैं बाथरूम के पास. That is Pyra Vastu. The fourth is Astro Vastu. Astro Vastu में you will take your kundli, understand it, make a tithi and make your full kundli, and then they will give you remedies on that. So that is Astro Vastu based on Chandrama, Tithi and Nakshatra. The fifth type of Vastu is Color Vastu. Color Vastu का मतलब होता है paint a particular wall or a door, use your particular flooring, your tapestry, your curtains. हम वो colors लेते हैं, वो colors blend करते हैं. So that is Color Vastu. The sixth type of Vastu is your Feng Shui Vastu, which is a very popular method.
Feng
It's
Shui
a-
is like something which
is a Chinese method of Vastu. So it's a
जी.
very popular method. उसमें ready-made चीजें आती हैं. And the seventh type of Vastu is called, जिसको हम कहते हैं Ratna Adhyay or Gemstones Vastu, in which we put gold and we put silver in the flooring, or we put gemstones. So then using them in your rings, using them in your pendants. So this is also a type of Vastu only, which changes your energy in the body or in your house or office. So I have introduced the eighth type of Vastu. What does Numero Vastu mean? Numero Vastu tells you that everything is a maths, like a carpet area, built up area, super built up area is a number. House number, office number. We feel कि हमने घर खरीदा है, या we feel we have purchased an office, but actually the office brings us, or the house हमें पुकारता है.
basically the energy
of the house or the office calls us, and many times you see that it matches your date of birth. By default you will live in that house number or that office number. Sometimes when you're selecting, it is very nice and necessary for you to understand what are your lucky numbers. So if you know your particular number is so and so, you choose that house or office or that floor, or that street, whatever the address is, and then you blend it into your connections. These numbers will always be favorable to you. So I introduced the Numero Vastu, in which I am, of course, a PhD, and I got the Bharat Bhushan Award, and all the other achievements followed. Is when I submitted this thesis, I realized that I was the first Indian woman to do this. Till then, nobody had done numerology and Vastu ka blend. And that's how I got that PhD, and that's how all the other laurels and awards followed. But basically, this science, or what I teach, is people say that north direction is supreme. ईस्ट डायरेक्शन बहुत अच्छी है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट बहुत बढ़िया है, मंदिर जोन होना चाहिए, कि इस दिशा का एंट्रेंस हो जाएगा तो वेरी गुड. But what happens to the northwest or the west or the south?
South, like people, a lot of people, yeah.
How will people not buy? That means 50% houses will be sold and 50% no.
That's what I was about to say. Especially the houses which are south, southwest, or northwest, or
Correct.
because they have a particular thing in mind. We want facing to be like this.
Yes.
So I was just wondering, when a developer is, making these houses or the apartments or the buildings, he's not going to decide ki let's not make south today, let's make north today, let's make east today.
Possible,
So how do you, even I'm sure south houses must be selling.
Yeah.
Which I think the viewers would like to know.
Absolutely. So actually with this little podcast, I would like to educate the people and tell them that if your date of birth is 9, the south direction is brilliant for you. If your birth date is 8, west direction is excellent for you. If you are a 7 number or a 2 number, northwest is supreme for you. If you're a 6 number, 6 means 6, 15 or 24 by birth, you are blessed with a southeast direction. So then these directions help you, and that is why I'm little different from the others, and I remove the fear factor from people's minds. So you will have a lot of Vastu consultants scaring you. अरे आपका तो साउथ एंट्रेंस दरवाजा है, आपका ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. नहीं, डर के आगे जीत है, और डर को डराना है.
डर को डराना है. Correct.
So I have brilliant clients who have done very well. House opening at 180 degrees south, and they have been blessed. They have been doing wonderfully well. But their maths match. That means the date of birth matched the direction, and it favors them. So if you have this knowledge, you can use it to the right way. That's very important.
I agree with you. So viewers, if you're listening, Dr. Bindu Khurana is giving you free gyan. Only it happens in Dubai show. So coming back, ma'am, you talk about numbers, that how, south doesn't play a big part, southwest, southeast, north, south, XYZ. The way you explained it, I think a lot of people would have got clarity by now. So now people who were scared would not actually, maybe contact you or actually enter the way you just said, ki it's 180 degree view and this and that. And the kind of clarity you've given on this entire subject is very immense, I would say. मतलब लोगों के पास इससे पहले clarity नहीं थी. They didn't have this kind of clarity.
Yeah.
And the kind of, the kind of light you've thrown in the entire subject, which even I, for a minute, thought, southwest or southeast facing should not be great for beginning, or when you're entering, the compass has to be in the center.
True.
Because a lot of people have these compasses on phone. But thank you for clearing that subject, because I think now, in everybody's mind, it could have been cleared by now. So, tell me one thing, that Dubai is already a magnet for investors.
True.
But can numerology or Vastu give, let's say, an extra edge? while
Of course.
choosing the perfect location,
Of course.
according to you?
So in olden civilizations, we will always notice that water is one of the main elements जहाँ पे civilization होती थी. So any harbor line or anything that is in a coastal region or any island for that matter flourishes. Water is one of, जैसे feng shui में भी water को बहुत अहमियत दी थी. Water in feng shui and even in other this indicates prosperity and wealth. So for that reason, Dubai is a very, very big catch. Why only Dubai? Around Dubai also,
Let's say UAE, the entire
the
UAE.
UAE is brilliant. Also, what I feel is, you should always match your date of birth. So if you are a birth number or a destiny number मतलब birth, month and year का पूरा total. If your birth number is 2 or your birth number is 7, 2 means 2, 11, 20 and 29. 7 means 7, 16 and 25. These two are water attracted numbers. Matlab, they have prosperity near water. So for them, Dubai is a very, very big jump and a very good way to invest.
Sorry,
Another-
I'll just interrupt now.
Yes,
I'm sorry
please.
I'm interrupting.
No.
What are the numbers you said are very close to water, because I'm calculating my number also in
Okay.
mind.
So it is 2 number.
Ji.
2 means 2, 11, 20 and 29. And 7, 16 and 25.
7, 16 and 25.
Birth numbers or destiny number ka total.
Okay.
Another number is also very important, that is number 5. Now 5 number totals to 5, 14 and 23. And if you calculate DUBAI, Dubai by itself, it comes to a total of 14. So 5 number वालों को भी Dubai बहुत prosperous होगा.
It'll be prosperous for
Yes.
them. And so basically you're saying the people who have 5 number in their entire, how do you calculate it? It's
Birth number or
birth number.
destiny number.
Or destiny number.
Yeah, true.
So viewers, if you have 5 in your birth number or destiny number, Dubai is calling you, Habibi, come to Dubai. According to Dr. Bindu Khurana.
I also want to add one more.
Ji.
Suppose you want to do business and your numbers are not matching, but your wife says, your mother, your son or daughter, somebody in the family, उनकी गणित के हिसाब से है ना,
Ji.
then buy the property on their name.
Ah, okay,
you
okay.
want to, suppose you want to open a restaurant, but your numbers don't match to the calculations.
Ji.
But your wife, your husband, or your son, or your daughter, or your mother or father, somebody का family वालों की किसी का number match होता है, तो उनके नाम पे आप business start कीजिए ना.
But then the question is, you can start the business on their
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
But then you are also involved in that business.
True. So your energy goes. Your energy is there. Your energy will bring the hard work. But
Okay.
the calculation, that means on paper, let them be the owners.
Okay.
So what?
But if you're working around, you're helping them.
Absolutely. It's
No-
perfectly
no-
okay. No,
no
not
problem
at all.
at
Not at all. Not at all.
That's a very nice thing, because I was just thinking you've given a very nice solution. So viewers, it only happens where you know exactly on this channel in Dubai Show with Dr. Khurana. So, ma'am, one more question I would like
Ji.
to ask you. Now, Dubai has some crazy real estate, from towers,
Mm-hmm.
man-made islands to sky high.
Absolutely.
Ever looked at Burj Khalifa or Palm Jumeirah numerology?
Yeah.
Or was there a moment ki, oh, it's okay? Like if you look at Palm Jumeirah, it's become a very successful project. Or if you look at Burj Khalifa, and I don't know how to calculate the name and the numbers, and they've become very successful, like brands in Dubai. Like if you talk, when people land from Dubai airport, they sit in the cab and they say, drive me to Burj Khalifa, drive me to Palm Jumeirah, and many more destinations. But these two are like really
Crazy.
hits in your ears. So how does how did this work out? Like Burj Khalifa and
So
Palm
if you
Jumeirah?
notice, Palm Jumeirah totals to 41.
41, okay.
41 is again number 5, which matches Dubai, which is 14. So
Okay.
it falls in the place. See, anything that will be matching the dates will
Ji.
fall in the things.
Ji.
So calculative wise, bhi aapko wo, that is why probably these two things are outstanding. There are there are so many constructions in Dubai.
Dubai going on
Their
right
shapes, their sizes, their height. Amazing. I will use the word amazing, But maybe one or two have highlighted in the world. It's come in the international brand. So yes, that's the reason that this is in some maths or the other, it has matched.
It has matched,
Yeah.
yeah. So now, since we're just talking about numbers and matching, I just want to be a little selfish and ask you, we have a show called In Dubai Show where you're sitting right now.
Hmm.
How does the In Dubai Show number calculates to, and what is?
So,
I will not ask you what the future lies,
hmm,
but I'll ask you what the In Dubai Show number
Hmm.
calculates to. And-
it comes in Dubai comes to 21.
21. Okay.
21 is a number 3. 3 number को हम कैसे describe करते हैं? 3 is Om, 3 is Ekyamkar, 3 is Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, 3 is past, present, future. 3 is Father, Holy Spirit, Child. 3 is Trishul, 3 is Tisri Ark, and 3 also represents 786 of Islam.
Okay.
It comes to 3. So 3 is a number of amalgamation, joint, cosmopolitan.
It's a
Yeah.
cosmo number.
Plus, if I would have to say, 3 is a marketing number. इसको कहते हैं ज़बान से खाना. So in
जो
Dubai
मैं कर रहा
totals
हूँ.
to
In
talking
Dubai
and
show,
getting it,
talking and getting it. So
absolutely.
viewers, you know exactly. In Dubai show में you talk your way through. Huh?
Hmm.
Thank you so much, ma'am. ये तो आपने मतलब thank you so much.
Bless you.
दिन बना दिया हमारा.
Hmm.
So if an investor from India
Hmm.
or any other country looking at Dubai, how important is the alignment of birth date or business when they like choose a property?
So there are certain things that in Dubai I would recommend. Like I was having a talk with sir and I was explaining. I said Dubai has certain things which I will say the primary reasons why people should invest in Dubai. A, it's the window to the world. It's your stop point to go to any country. It's Dubai. तो दुबई आपका स्टेपिंग स्टोन है.
जी.
सो दुबई में अगर आपका एक ऑफिस होता है या घर होता है या इवन इफ यू हैव अ स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट, यू कैन लीज इट, यू कैन रेंट इट, यू कैन पुट इट ऑन सेल, व्हाटएवर इज योर रिक्वायरमेंट, यू कैन डू दैट. बट दुबई हैज़ दैट स्टॉप ओवर एंड हैज़ दैट स्टेपिंग स्टोन. तो दुबई का एक प्राइमरी ये रीज़न है दैट पीपल दोज हु वांट टू इन्वेस्ट really should invest in Dubai. Second thing, what I feel is Dubai is absolutely a super developing country. I came a couple of months back, and in these months I've felt that, oh my God, so many new roads, so many channels, so many new buildings. Well, it's growing like this. So it's very fast moving, you know.
So now I'm just thinking, if Dubai gets another 100 years, inshallah,
Absolutely.
mashallah, they should, you know, where the country is going to head.
Absolutely.
The kind of technology, the kind of,
Yeah.
you know, building houses, the infrastructure, everything is just
wonderful.
going
Just wonderful. Yes.
amazingly beautiful.
I also feel that there is another point in Dubai is it's a very safe zone.
Very safe, very safe.
And as a woman, I feel it's mentionable that we can step out in the night also, and we don't have that fear. So
I
it's
agree.
very important that those who want to invest in Dubai, it's good for the women, it's good for the doctors and the daughter-in-laws, and for all ourselves over here.
So-
It's a nice place.
Dr. Sab, are you also planning to invest in Dubai?
Absolutely.
Have you already invested?
No, I'm in the process.
In the
and
process.
Yes, and definitely I will work out on some things that have to come.
So you know exactly who to contact.
Of course, I trust only one person, and that is Hamir sir.
Indus Real Estate.
And it is Indus sir. I really feel that for 2-3 reasons, not just because I know him personally, but I really feel is that he will think from your point of view.
Point of view, yeah.
What you need, what is to. He will not see it as a commercial angle. He will tell me कि आपको ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए, आपको यहाँ नहीं वहाँ देखना चाहिए. And I can trust completely. See, my profession is such that it works on trust and belief. People trust us, that's why they take our advices seriously.
Correct.
And if it was not because of trust and belief, we would not be where we are. And that's exactly for property buying. I mean, and that too in another country, I would really trust Indus. I think they are doing a great job,
No,
and
no,
Indus Real Estate is the one that we should really consider.
Thank you so much. So viewers, if you're really looking if you're looking to buy a property in Dubai, you exactly know who to contact. Indus Real Estate. And this show is brought to you by Indus Real Estate, and our channel's name is In Dubai Show. So ma'am, just quickly I want to ask you one more
Ji.
thing. You know, I keep hearing this number 13
Acha.
is a very, you know,
Huh.
people say unlucky number, this number, that number. Now, if you could walk us through this process of number 13, or, you know, throw some light on it, which our viewers would like to know, that why exactly number 13 ke saath itni problem, why there is so much problem when you have number 13?
So, according to Western numerology, 13 is considered inauspicious. They don't have the 13th floor, they don't have the 13th street, they don't have a 13 number house. Even in certain aircrafts, they don't have a 13 number seat.
Seat, yes.
But being Indian science, or being a Hindutva science, or being a Vedic science, Ank Shastra numerology believes that 13 is 13. So जो 13 है परमात्मा का है, उसका है, वो गलत नहीं हो सकता. So you're blessed when you have a 13 number. This is what our Vedic science says. कि सब कुछ तो 13 है, परमात्मा का है, वो ही देता है, वो ही खिलाता है, वो ही घुमाता है, वो ही सब कुछ करता है. सब कुछ 13 है. So 13 करके ही हम निकल जाते हैं जिंदगी से. So actually 13 is a blessed number.
Blessed number.
Not an inauspicious number.
I agree. सब कुछ 13 है करते करते हम
निकल जाते.
we fly out.
Absolutely.
So, on that lighter note, I would also like to just play one game with you.
Sure.
I'll name a few iconic Dubai numerological vibes,
Okay.
places, and you tell us there. Like Burj Al Arab, the Frame, Expo City, Dubai.
Okay.
So you tell me which, according to these places, आपको क्या लगता है numerological wise, which fits in exactly where you want it?
So I would tell the first one that you said was Burj. That's a zenith, that's a peak, that's a success monument. It's
Okay.
something that you should actually try to vision to be in life.
जी,
Okay, you chose this element. The next you said was the frame.
Frame, yes.
Frame is a plateau. तो जब हम जिंदगी में बहुत ऊंचाई पे पहुंच जाते हैं, तो we need to plateau ourselves, we need to ground ourselves. We actually need to be at a place in life where we feel कि अब बहुत कुछ मिल गया, अभी शुक्राना type, So we need to have a plateau in life. And the third one you mentioned was your
The Frame, the Burj,
and
this one, Expo, Dubai Expo.
so Dubai Expo is where you're meeting everybody. It's an open platform for anybody and everybody, and every caste, community, every religion, every gender.
जी,
It's an open space, and that's actually what is brotherhood.
brotherhood, correct.
It's an opening to any and everybody. There's no
Correct.
rich and there's no poor, and there's no old and no young. It's all for each and every one. So it's an opening. So the energies or the names indicate that.
And if numbers could, be, if you could predict the numbers, and like you said, numbers calculate to this.
True.
How do you think, in your view, 2025 is going to be a year?
Oh, great. 2025 totals to 9. 9 number is a Bhumi number. Bhumi means land. Anything that comes from land. So it could be construction, real estate, development. Anything that actually makes mining, agriculture, farming, even cotton fabric. Anything that comes from the earth is going to rule this year. It could be your chemicals, petroleum, everything. But this is a great year. Great is the right word. Great year for anything that is in real estate or anything in construction and development. So when you understand 9, 9 is a fetus. It comes back. This will be repeated again after 9 years.
Okay.
Every 9 years that number comes. So 9 is a number of non-Navratri, no Rupa of Durga, 9 months of pregnancy, 9 planets, 27 nakshatra, 108 mantra jap. So it's a number of completion. So you will meet people who will complete their projects and ventures. There will be many new developments, new buildings, new constructions this year. Most importantly, you will hear of new companies sprouting up. The first timers,
Yeah.
like it's a new company they
You
formed.
keep hearing these names.
Yeah, and they will come up. So you will find that this year, that is 2025, people will really shoot up in anything to do in construction, real estate. There will be a lot of people who will be investing. There will be a lot of people who will come forward, and it is actually the year of the bhumi, land, property. So this is a great year for all the investors, and it'll boom. It's really going to boom up. It's going to help people who are in the construction business. Not only their name and fame will reach out, but the world will look at this. Plus, jo 25 hai na, 2 and 5 jo ending ka.
Ji, ma'am.
That is number 7. So when we say 7, 7 means, like you say, 7 seas, 7 continents, 7 wonders of the world, 7 sur, 7 colors of the rainbow, 7 days in a week, 52 weeks in a year. 7 chakras, 7 feras, we don't know why. So 7 is a number of creating something from nothing. Just like musician makes the notes from nothing. इसी तरह artist on the empty canvas makes a beautiful painting. So 7 indicates overseas, 7 indicates Ketu, 7 indicates water. So water bodies or countries, cities which are water covered, islands will do very well this
Very
year.
well.
So Dubai has a great year coming.
Great
ahead.
year coming.
Great
So
year
viewers,
coming.
you exactly know where to invest. Dubai is the place, and you have to invest with Indus Real Estate. And show is sponsored by Indus Real Estate. So, Dr. Saab, I want to ask you one question. So, on a lighter note, I want to ask you: the energy of our show in Dubai show is good.
Yes, it is.
It is
So,
vibrant. It's
in
best.
IN is the first start. IN comes to a total of 6.
Yes,
Dubai is anyway at the total of 14.
14.
Okay, so when you total the whole thing, you
जी.
will give the show के साथ the total जो आता है is again at a brilliant number of 41, which will give you very very good vibrations. It will give you good fame. You will come at a very good total. तो आपका जो नाम है in Dubai show will rock.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I just wanted to hear this.
I
So,
know.
viewers, you exactly know where to tune in, where to leave your beautiful comments. Keep liking our show, keep watching our show. But listen, we are not going anywhere else. Just hang on for one more second. I have to ask you one more thing. पता नहीं, I'm feeling so energetic, so इतनी एनर्जी आ गई मेरे अंदर कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ सवाल पूछता ही रहूँ, but due to time constraint, do you like what do you do in your free time? Like जब आपके पास you have time, do you listen to songs?
Okay, Dhruv, I work 18 hours a day.
Oh
I
my
just
God.
sleep 3 hours.
Okay.
But I am a trained classical singer.
Oh
I
wow.
do kirtan and bani singing. But I love to listen also. So when I'm in my car and I'm driving and by myself, yes, music is the connection of the soul. But free time nahi milta, and God has been very kind. I have no complaints
No complaint.
that I'm working, I'm adding value to people, and I think that is a very, very prestigious and a blessed line that you help people. People with issues, problems, grievances, health, relations, finance come to us. And अगर हम उनका 1% भी दर्द दूर कर सकते हैं, हम उनको किसी तरह से हेल्प कर सकते हैं, and we can bless them and help them, I think my purpose of life is over.
Over. So आपने भी मेरे को ऐसी बोला, you like classical singing. Would you like to sing like 2 lines,
Sure.
if possible, for our viewers?
What would you like me to sing? Bollywood?
Anything. Not Bollywood, whatever you like.
No, you tell me, I'll sing that.
Any song, maybe from the 70s, 80s, whatever you like. Whoever has been your favorite hero or a heroine.
अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
क्या बात है मैम, इसके लिए तो मैं ताली बजा देता हूँ. Very nice,
Thank
very
you.
nice singing. Thank you so much. Ma'am, before we wrap up, you were talking about one more thing which I missed in the entire thing is how you helped in the name Bharat.
Yes.
Would you like to just throw a little limelight about that, please?
So I've been INDIA, India, comes to a total of 12. 12 is the number of sacrificing, suffering and anguish. But if we were to spell it differently or call the name Bharat, जो actually उसका original नाम था, तो BHARAT comes to number 15. 15 is a magician's number.
Okay.
इसीलिए हमें सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था. And definitely not based on any religious points. Definitely not based on any political pointers.
जी जी जी.
Only based on numerology. I have requested him. And after a couple of letters, I did really thank and bless him because he does keep in touch with each one of us in his own way, that I have to collect 1 lakh signatures. So a petition has to be formed. It has to be filed. People have to sign. They have to go on board and put the petition. And only then will that request be taken to court. Post that, because we did this in 2020, post that, I got a letter from the Supreme Court that your petition has been accepted. And आपकी अर्जी जाएगी आगे. It will be discussed because it is a spelling correction or a name change for a country. छोटा काम नहीं है, बड़ी बहुत बड़ी चीज है. So on that they said कि ठीक है 2-3 साल लगेंगे, but हो जाएगा. So I think in 2022, 23, early 23, I heard actually Narendra India, he said कि हम भारतीय हैं, हम भारतवासी हैं और हमारा देश भारत है. I think that was the biggest, thank you. I really cried. I really was emotional, and I think it was accepted with
I'm
grace.
sure your
Yes.
entire,
But
your
if-
hard work, everything.
Even if you do a small test right now in front of everybody here, close your eyes for 2 minutes. I'll tell you what. Close your eyes and say the name Dhar. First you say India,
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 India.
India,
Now you say Bharat,
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 and Bharat.
and Bharat.
अभी एनर्जी किसकी है?
Bharat.
That's
I-
the difference.
No, I agree because वो
हाँ,
इतने emotions वो involved हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
As soon as you say Bharat and you say India,
yes.
it's totally two
Total
different
different
subjects.
things. Yes.
And you have taken me on such an emotional note. So I think before I start crying, I should come down. We really want to thank you, but before you leave, we have this new thing in this segment we've started on in Dubai show, where I'll give you a pen
Ji.
since you're such an honorable guest. I want you to write something on this,
Okay.
something special message for our show, for our viewers. You can put this down there
Okay.
and just write a small note,
Hmm.
whatever you think about the show,
Hmm.
and however you want to thank us or we should thank you,
Hmm.
and just a signature of yours that you were a part of in Dubai show, and it was an honor and privilege to have you. So as you know, Dr. Bindu Khurana is signing something very nice for us, and as she's already said, this show is going to be very successful. So you have to keep commenting, keep liking, and please press the bell icon. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. So we keep improving and keep getting you more and more guests in the future. Till then, adios, take care, and bye-bye. And this is your host, Kamdoz Dhruv. But wait, ma'am has written something very nice. Blessings, good wishes, abundance always to In Dubai show. You are the best. My God, my day is already made. This is the note she's written. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It was a
Thank
pleasure,
you.
pleasure,
Thank
pleasure
you.
having
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, viewers. That was Dr. Bindu Khurana. We'll see you again, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
God
Thank
bless
you.
you all.
Thank you.